The best investments for beginners in 2025. Have you ever thought about investing, but then gotten stuck in a sea of confusing terms, crazy jargon, and the fear of losing it all? You're not alone. Every year, millions of people like you want to start investing, but the uncertainty makes them freeze. But what if I told you that 2025 is the best year to dive in, and that it's actually simpler than you think? Imagine looking back a year from now, watching your money grow and thinking, I'm so glad I started. In today's video, I'm going to show you the best investments for beginners in 2025 that can set you on a path to financial freedom. No advanced knowledge required. The fear. Why most beginners don't invest. Let's be real for a second. The reason most people don't invest is simple. Fear. Fear of losing money, fear of making a mistake, and fear of not understanding what's going on. It's easy to get caught up in all the noise. Stocks, bonds, real estate, crypto. What's the right move? The reality is, not investing is the most dangerous choice of all. Inflation eats away at your savings, and you miss out on the wealth-building power of compounding. But here's the kicker. Investing doesn't have to be a risky, complicated game reserved for Wall Street experts. In fact, you can start investing with as little as $100, and you don't need a finance degree to do it. The solution: the best investments for beginners. Now, let's cut through the confusion. I'm about to share with you the best investment strategies for 2025, starting with the most beginner-friendly options. These are the strategies you can start today, no matter where you are in your financial journey. 1. Index funds, the smartest way to start. First up, index funds. You've probably heard of them, but if you haven't, let me break it down. Index funds are a type of mutual fund that tracks a market index, like the S&P 500. In simple terms, you're buying a small piece of the top 500 companies in America. That's right. You're diversifying your investment across the best businesses without picking individual stocks. The beauty of index funds is that they're low cost, low risk, and they've historically provided solid returns over time. Plus, they're perfect for beginners because all the heavy lifting is done for you. It's like hiring a professional to build a diversified portfolio for you, but you get to take the credit. But wait, what if I told you there's a way to make your money grow even faster with less risk? Stay tuned, because I've got something coming up that might just blow your mind. Now that you know how to get started with index funds, let's talk about another investment strategy that's as beginner-friendly as it gets: the Roth IRA. 2. Roth IRA. Tax-free growth for your future. If you're serious about long-term wealth, the Roth IRA is a must-have. This retirement account allows your investments to grow tax-free, and when you take the money out, it's also tax-free. That means you're keeping 100% of your returns. The best part? You can start with just $6,000 a year, or $7,000 if you're over 50, and you won't have to pay taxes on it when you retire. That's like getting a free pass from Uncle Sam. And here's the kicker. Any gains you make while your money is invested? Also tax-free. I know, tax-free sounds like something only the ultra-wealthy get. But no, this is for you. It's like getting the secret VIP pass to wealth building. Now, let's take it up a notch. If you're looking to really supercharge your investment strategy, there's one investment that's been gaining major traction in 2025, and that's real estate. 3. Real estate. A tangible, profitable asset. Real estate is one of the oldest and most reliable ways to build wealth. But don't let the idea of buying a property overwhelm you. You don't need to be a millionaire to get started. Real estate investment trusts, or REITs, are an excellent way for beginners to get a piece of the real estate action without buying a physical property. With REITs, you can invest in commercial and residential properties through a publicly traded company, and you'll earn a share of the income generated from those properties. REITs are accessible, affordable, and provide great returns, especially if you reinvest your earnings. The best part? You don't need to manage any properties yourself. It's a passive way to make money in real estate, and it's perfect for beginners. But what if you want to invest in something even newer? Something that's growing faster than you might expect. Stay with me, because I'm about to introduce you to a 2025 investment trend that could change everything. 4. Cryptocurrency. The future of digital assets. Yes, I said it. Cryptocurrency. I know, you're thinking, but isn't crypto risky? Well, yes, there's risk, but let me ask you this. Are you going to sit on the sidelines while others jump into the future of finance? Some cryptocurrencies, especially Bitcoin and Ethereum, have shown tremendous growth over the last decade, and they're not slowing down anytime soon. Before you jump in, let me make one thing clear. Cryptocurrency is volatile, and you should start small. But with the right approach, crypto can be a very lucrative investment for beginners in 2025. Just make sure you do your research and don't invest more than you're willing to lose. Are you ready to embrace the future, or will you let fear keep you in the past? Think about it. So now we've covered index funds, Roth IRAs, REITs, and even cryptocurrency. But there's one more strategy that's easy to start and often overlooked by beginners. 5. Dollar cost averaging, consistency over time. What if you could invest a little bit of money each month no matter what the market is doing? That's exactly what dollar cost averaging allows you to do. It's a strategy where you invest a fixed amount of money into a particular investment at regular intervals, regardless of market conditions. This reduces the impact of market volatility, and over time, you'll end up with more shares or units of an asset for less money. Essentially, you're buying when prices are low, and sometimes when they're high, but the goal is to keep investing consistently. It's the tortoise's way to wealth, and it works. The urgency, taking action. Today. So there you have it. Whether you're just getting started or you've been on the sidelines, 2025 is the year you can start building wealth. With strategies like index funds, Roth IRAs, REITs, cryptocurrency, and dollar cost averaging, there's no reason not to get started right now. But here's the real question. Are you ready to take the first step? Start small. Start today. Start with whatever feels comfortable for you, but make sure you get started. The sooner you invest, the sooner your money can start working for you. And remember, you don't need to be a financial expert to get ahead. You just need to be consistent, smart, and take action. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more tips for living a wealthy lifestyle. Drop a comment below and let me know which investment you're starting with. Let's take action together and build a future we can be proud of.